The terrestrial world is home to an incredible array of mammals, but some truly stand out for their immense size and weight. These colossal creatures dominate their ecosystems, often playing crucial roles in shaping landscapes and maintaining biodiversity. Their impressive bulk is a result of millions of years of evolution, adapting them to their environments and diets. This document highlights the heaviest land mammals in the world, showcasing their remarkable weights and unique characteristics. The heaviest land mammals in the world, African bush elephant record. Weight up to 6 metric tons, 6,000 kgs or 13 to 200 pounds for males. Key characteristics. The largest land animal on Earth, the African bush elephant, is known for its massive size, large ears, and long tusks. They are herbivores, consuming vast amounts of vegetation daily. Their immense weight allows them to push down trees and create pathways, significantly impacting their environment. Asian elephant record weight up to 5 metric tons, 5,000 kgs or 11,000 pounds for males. Key characteristics. Slightly smaller than its African counterpart, the Asian elephant is found across various habitats in Asia. They have smaller ears and a more arched back. Like African elephants, they are herbivores and play a vital role in seed dispersal and maintaining forest ecosystems. White rhinoceros record weight up to 3.6 metric tons, 3,600 kgs or 7,900 pounds. Key characteristics. The largest species of rhinoceros, the white rhinoceros, is characterized by its broad muzzle, which is adapted for grazing. Despite its name, its color ranges from yellowish brown to slate gray. They are social animals, often found in groups on the savannas and grasslands of southern Africa. Hippopotamus record weight up to 3.2 metric tons, 3,200 kilos or 7,050 pounds. Key characteristics. A large semi-aquatic mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa, the hippopotamus spends most of its day in water to stay cool. Despite its bulky appearance, it is surprisingly agile on land and can run faster than a human. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses at night. Indian rhinoceros record weight up to 2.5 metric tons, 1,800 kilograms or 5,500 pounds. Key characteristics. Also known as the greater one-horned rhinoceros, this species is identifiable by its single horn and thick folded skin that gives it an armored appearance. Found in parts of India and Nepal, they are primarily grazers that inhabit grasslands and forests near water. Gaur record weight up to 1.5 metric tons and 1,500 kilograms or 300 pounds. Key characteristics. The gaur is the largest species of wild cattle native to South and Southeast Asia. Males are significantly larger than females and possess impressive horns. They are primarily grazers and browsers, living in herds in forested hills and grasslands. Giraffe record weight up to 1.9 metric tons, 1,900 kilograms or 4,200 pounds for males. Key characteristics. While known for being the tallest land animal, giraffes are also surprisingly heavy. Their long necks and legs allow them to browse on leaves, flowers, and fruits from tall trees. They are native to Africa and live in savannas and open woodlands. Walrus record weight up to 1.7 metric tons, 1,700 kilograms or 3,750 pounds. Key characteristics. Although primarily marine, walruses spend significant time on land or ice. These large pinnipeds are recognizable by their prominent tusks and whiskers. They are carnivorous, feeding mainly on shellfish. Their blubber helps them survive in cold Arctic waters. American bison record weight up to 1.4 metric tons, 1,400 kilograms or 3,080 pounds. Key characteristics. The largest land animal in North America, the American bison is known for its shaggy brown coat and large head with a prominent hump. They are grazers that once roamed the North American plains in vast herds, playing a crucial role in grassland ecosystems. Polar bear record weight up to 600 kilograms, 300 pounds for males. Key characteristics. The largest land carnivore, polar bears are well adapted to life in the Arctic. They have a thick layer of blubber and a dense fur coat for insulation. While they spend much of their time on sea ice hunting seals, they are classified as land mammals. These magnificent creatures demonstrate the incredible diversity and scale of life that thrives on Earth's land masses.